What's going on, YouTube? We have today a Autel MaxiCom, yeah, you're not going to see that, MaxiCom MK908P for the Pro, and I'm going to show you how to change, put it here so maybe you can see what, I don't know if that's better or not, but anyway, I'm gonna show you, let's put it back. Let's put it back here. This is nice, by the way, this hook thing that comes out, the stand, so you can put it on a flat surface and have it stand, or toss that thing on the steering wheel and it just sits there waiting for you to manipulate it with your fingers. Waiting for you to finger it, waiting for you to just dive into these systems. So you have a choice. The system comes with these types of horrible, basic, and you can change it to these other beautiful ones. Notice the Rolls Royce, the Alfa, the Maserati, the Aston Martin, Ferrari. These things they're gorgeous. On a high definition screen, it's a very nice feature. Wouldn't you rather have a whole bunch of real logos than these crappy? Anyway, you get the point. So what you have to do is go home, go to this ES File Explorer, right? Go to, we're in Chrysler right now. Chrysler is already done. Let me see what else is there. Dodge. I went into, let me start this from the beginning for you guys. Scan vehicles, that's where it is. So you go to are we all the way out? Okay, so go to the File Explorer. It takes you to this screen right here. You go into Scan. Boom. You go to the bottom, got Vehicle. Boom. You go into Domestic, for example. This is not it. It is it. It's not under Domestic. It tricked me before. So here is Europe. I left off, I believe, on Volvo. So let's do Volvo. You got a whole bunch of different files in there, but you also got these PNG files. There's only like, 6 over here. So you want this super nice fancy Volvo, right? But they're giving you this crap. So what you do is hold it down, select it, hit that delete button. Okay, now we need to check if that worked, right? Let's press the home button on the bottom, right? Go to our MaxiCom for diagnostics, okay? Look it up. Where were we? European. Where's Volvo? Let's see. Look at that. It still is the old logo. Well, that's because we have not restarted the system. So what you do is you press this triple on the bottom. The third one from the left is this triple window little icon that takes you to this screen. So what you do is you swipe the diagnostics thing up and off the screen, right? That closes it. Or any other program you do that to. So go back home, open up the diagnostics. Diagnostics, what is that? Beeping. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, European, Volvo. You see that logo? Boom. Way nicer than that. So, let's do the Volkswagen. This is, from here you go back to the files, back out of Volvo, and click on Volkswagen. Now you look for the, now you look for the, I actually didn't even know it could do that. So apparently there's a, if you swipe left, see on top it says home page. I have to check this out later. Swipe to the right is local storage, and swipe to the right is network. Huh. I don't know what this stuff does, but it's good. So this VW has a bunch of them. Here they are. So we don't want that crappy green one. Let's go ahead and delete that thing from here. We will, I don't see me using that ever. So now this diagnostics thing, we have to close it, right? Because it's going to show old information. That's closed. Back home. MaxiCom. Diagnostics. What is that beeping? Is it reminding me not to forget it? Huh. Really got to read the manual. Okay, anyway, where were we? We just did Volkswagen. It wasn't this one. It was this one. But they're the same, obviously. I don't know what LT3 is. I got to look into that. But in any case, this is the Volkswagen I need to, concern myself with. So look at this. I mean, we were in European. Look at this. Every single logo is there. Nothing generic about it. Original logos. Now, this looks like a nice scanner. When you got those crappy, like these American ones I still haven't done, I mean, come on. This is like basic stuff, Take the 20 minutes it's going to take you and get that done. It's going to make you feel good about looking at your brand new tool every single day. I mean, instead of looking at this and saying, yeah, I don't really care, it's fine, I don't care. Yeah, I get that, but you could spend the 20 minutes. I mean, how expensive was this thing? Don't you want to use it to its full potential? They included these logos in here. It's like, do you want this basic stuff or do you want the sick ones? If you want the real nice stuff, take the 20 minutes and reprogram the thing. I mean, look how easy it is. Where are we at here? Here's our files. Now we're doing what? Doing USA. There's only a few here. I already did Chrysler. Let me show you that. There it is. So that one's done. So wrong page. Files. Let's do Dodge. Now, sometimes, you see, the PNG files, they're there. I mean, this looks kind of skimpy for a file. Some of the Volvo one had, like, way more files. This one only got, like, 3 files and 5 pictures. Okay, so anyway, I don't like to touch the ADAS, whatever. There's some advanced, I don't know, some sensor alignment system, which looks really cool, but it's like 20 grand, so no. But I don't touch those. So let's see the second one. If you click on it, you get a choice to pick one of these. You can set it as your default if you want. I just click on gallery, and there's that crappy one right there. So is this one, right? So we go ahead and delete that. Boom. Now we close diagnostics, take it home, open up MaxiCom, go to diagnostics. Where is our USA? And there's Dodge. Look at that. Look at that bad mother. That logo. That's what I'm talking about. It looks all chrome and rammy. Way better than this thing. Come on. Don't let this happen to your tablet. So, where were we? Boom. Back it out. Ford, their logo's not all that great. Sitting in a Ford right now. But, yeah, I'm not really sure, actually. You know what? I think this blue one might be the best. This just says Ford. That sucks. So this is the finished product after you put in the 20 minutes or so, changing all the makes, logos around from the crappy ones that it comes with to all of the actual original ones. So take a look at these. I mean, they speak for themselves. It's colorful, it's beautiful. I mean, this is a beautiful large screen. It's HD, super HD. It looks very nice, crisp. It's like, it's good stuff. So don't get stuck with the old. I mean, even look at Daewoo. Daewoo's over here pimping it. Look at that. It doesn't look bad at all on this screen with the nice detail to that logo. It's kind of cool. I mean, it's like a New Orleans mask or something like that. That's what it looks like to me right now. Anyway, look at that Jaguar. I mean, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I mean, you got Lambo, and I mean, even Hyundai's not looking that bad. Mazda really stepped their game up with that logo, though, huh? Kind of doing better than everybody else, I would say, of all of these ones. Man, Volkswagen's not great either, but anyway. So, good stuff. Good stuff. Much better than what it came with.